Good morning. Today I will show you how to configure EIGRP. In this topology, all these routers, their links and their interfaces, they are pre-configured. Now I will show you that how we can configure the EIGRP only. If you want to know how to configure the interfaces, IP addresses and IP addresses on computers or PCs, please watch my previous video on basic router configuration and routing with RIP version 2. In this short video, I will only show you how to configure EIGRP. Every other parameters like IP addresses and interfaces, they are already pre-configured. Okay, let's go to the first router and go to CLI. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to start my configuration. Enable config T router EIGRP. Now after this, I have to give one autonomous system number, which is known as AS number, and make sure that every router will have or should have the same autonomous system in EIGRP. I can use any autonomous system starting from number 1 up to 65,535. Now let us to make it very simple, I will use number 100. Okay, now next step is I have to add the directly connected networks. So on this router, I have got only two directly connected networks, which is 10.0.0.0 and 20.0.0.0. So I will add network 10.0.0.0 and network 20.0.0. In case if I'm using subnets, I'm saying if we are using subnets, then we must give another command which will enable the router not to do auto summary. So, but that command is not required in this case because we are not using any subnets. But anyway, I will show you that how we can use that command. Just give command no auto summary. So just give that command. So this command won't let the routers to summarize the networks, which I will explain in another video later on. So this router is configured. So let's move to the next router. And in this router, if you will notice, I have got three directly connected networks. So now in this case, I will add these three networks in this router. So config T router EIGRP. Remember, I have to use the same autonomous system which I have used previously, 100. So then I have to give the command of network 20.0.0.0, then network 30.0.0.0, and then network 40.0.0.0. Now remember, look, why I have given three routers in this EIGRP, because there are three directly connected networks to this router: network 20.0.0.0, network 40.0.0.0, and network 30.0.0.0. So you have to only enter all directly connected networks. Now let me give the command no auto summary. Let's go to the third router. In this case, we have only two networks which are directly connected, number 40 and 50. So I will be adding these two networks in EIGRP routing. Enable config router EIGRP 100 network 40.0.0.0, then network 50.0.0.0, no auto summary. Okay, now this is pop up. This is very annoying when something pop up while you are working upon something. So now all the configuration is complete. Now let's check the connectivity. So to check the connectivity, let me ping from this computer to that computer. First one should fail, and let us try the second time. Okay, it's working. Now let us check the connectivity from the first router, first computer to the last computer. Fail, not a problem. Try again. So it is working. If I want to see the routing table of this router, so the command to check the routing table is show IP route. Okay. Now if you can analyze this routing table, so what I can see here, and you can see the three networks which are learned by D. What is D? D is dual, which is indicator for EIGRP. So that is D the code for EIGRP, because EIGRP use dual algorithm. So I can see network 10, 20, 30. So network 10, 20 and 30, which are remote for the third router, they are learned by EIGRP. And similarly, if I want to check the routing table of my first router, Control Z, show IP route. Okay, in this one, and I can see three networks which are 30, 40 and 50, which are learned by EIGRP. Now you can see network 30, 40 and 50, they are remote for the first router. So it shows that okay, they are learned by D, which is EIGRP. Okay, this conclude the recording of this um, video, and I hope you can enjoy it. And now you can configure your EIGRP.